Use the tomato in this way. A dermatologist told me. You will see the results. Hallucinatory. One of the most efficient ways to begin to benefit from tomato as part of our skincare routine, in which you can obtain divine results on how to eliminate acne and reduce the appearance of undesirable scars. We are accustomed to using tomato only for salads. But you know what? We are losing many advantages that gives us the tomato, especially for the skin. With tomato you can eliminate the acne and reduce the appearance of the undesirable scars of the same. In addition, with tomato, you can also remove bad fat from your skin. The tomato balances the pH in the skin, reducing the likelihood of the appearance of new outbreaks of acne. Another way to use it is to process it as a mask. For this you must place the tomato in hot water for about a minute, then you will remove the skin. You will remove the seeds and finally you will shred it until it becomes like a paste. And put it on your face. Now let it act for 1 hour and then wash with lots of cold water. To the mask mentioned, we can add the powers of the antioxidant of lemon. Lemon is another ingredient that serves to remove fat from the face. In addition, it is very good for overall skin health. And a less complicated way is to apply tomato juice mixed with a little lemon, and you will apply it only in the affected area of the face and leave it there for 5 minutes and then